When I look around, all I can see is on sale signs. That's what I can see right now, because what I'm talking about is actually Dividend 15 Split Corp. Because right now, Dividend 15 Split Corp is on sale, if you will. But we're going to look in this short video to look at if Dividend 15 Split Corp is on sale or is it a trap. I made a video previously talking about that particular topic. So today we're going to also review this one, because today the stock actually has gone. You see that a Dividend 15 Split Corp went down all the way almost 6%, and right now is about 4.11. So on this price, is it time to buy? That's what we're gonna find out on this video today. So what's Dividend 15 Split Corp? This to go in a little review if it's your first time to watch this fund. So Dividend 15 Split Corp is an investment corporation designed to pay monthly cash dividends. The corporation invests primarily in a portfolio of 15 dividend yield high quality Canadian companies, and these are the companies right here. There are two types of shares. There's Class A share, which is DFN, and the preferred share, which is DFN.PRA. So in our community of passive income investing, we more focus on DFN Class A share, because this one is literally it's more of a stable and they pay very little in dividends. But the good thing is, of course, you're guaranteed to get your return if the fund is ever closed. So, but for high yield, we focus on DFN Class A. We look at the core holdings: the Bank of Montreal, Bank of Nova Scotia, BCE, CI Financial, CIBC, Enbridge, Manulife Financial, National Bank of Canada, Royal Bank of Canada, Sun Life Financial, TELUS Corporation, Thomson Reuters Corporation, Toronto Dominion Bank, TransAlta Corporation, TC Energy. These are the 15 companies, and of course, this company. It's like, this fund particularly is active managed. So sometimes now and then they might change one or two companies here, but they pretty much usually stay the same. We look at the share highlights, right, of a Class A share: monthly cash dividends, quality investment and diversification, leverage to performance of high quality stocks, capital appreciation potential, attractive alternative to other income vehicles. When it comes to valuation, September 15, 2023, it's been a little bit behind, about 6 trading days. But NAV right now to distribution is about 4.85, and we're going to look at that NAV. What does it interpret when it comes to our price versus valuation, whether it's a value to buy or is a trap. We're going to look at this, and I'm going to show you a little bit here. When you look at the NAV to distribution, NAV net of distribution is 14.85. NAV plus total distribution paid to date is 51.46, and this is something that you have to pay attention to, because you see how much they've paid so far, 51.46. So that means even if your stock is going down, because some people always have that kind of argument, is like, well, if your stock is going down, it was $7, but right now it's $4. But if you take all the distribution that you get, if you put back in them, then you're still up. But anyways, today I'm not really going to too much details about this, but this is just a kind of like going, just kind of reviewing for people who might be the first time to watch this fund. When you look at distribution, this fund has been paying distribution, which is pretty much you call distribution or dividends. They've been paying since 2004. This is the history here. I can go scroll down all the way, April 30th, 2004, that's the first dividend they start paying. And they've been paying since, and they've cut very short period of time, they've cut their dividends. And that was 2020 COVID time. They cut about for 3 months. That's it. And then again, they cut since October, since like in August. They didn't pay in August, and also they didn't pay in September. And the reason they don't pay is because they actually have in their fund, in their fund prospectus, if the fund NAV, net asset value that I've showed you, if it's below 15, then they won't pay any dividends. And right now is 14.85, so that's why they haven't paid. So when this goes back to 15, then they're gonna start paying. So you'll be wondering why the stock keeps going down right now. I showed you the stock that this fund invests in, right? These are the companies, right? There's the bigger one here. For example, we can see Royal Bank of Canada, Toronto Dominion Bank. This is telecommunication. There's TC Energy. These are the biggest one, right? So let's look at the Royal Bank first. This Eldora Bank stock, you see how much down it is right now. So that fund reflects what these stocks are. So these stocks right now is down. Of course, the fund is gonna be down. We look at the Imperial Bank is down. The fund will be down, of course. We look at the TC Energy, it's down. We look at the Bank of Nova Scotia is also down. We look at the Bank of Montreal is down. We look at the Toronto Premier Bank is down. So these stocks are the main reason why driving this fund in particular to go down, because you can see the chart how how much is going down is pretty much how you can see these are stocks are. It's pretty much the same kind of chart, though they're of course different. But that's kind of main reason why these funds keep going down. There's nothing much about fundamentally that makes it to go down. I mean, but of course, this is more a volatile fund, so you kind of have to be aware of that. But I want to show you valuation of this fund. So is it time for you to buy? Because right now is 411. Is it a good time to buy, or should you just run and stay away? So we're going to look at little calculation here to show you the valuation of the actual valuation of this fund and how much they pay in dividend. Right now on this website, Yahoo Finance, it says 27, but actually it's 29. How do I know it's 29? Because they do pay 120 per year in dividend, or 10 cents per share every month. So let's start with dividend first. We can see, let's pull a calculator. So how to get the yield, current yield, if you are to buy today. So you take 1.20 in dividend annually, divide by the price of today, which is 4.11. You're gonna get 0.29 times 100. That's 29. So right now, if you buy this stock right now, this ETF or this fund, you're getting 29% yield, because that 10 cents per month, it doesn't change. That's how it's been paying since 2004. So to get our valuation of the stock, to know exactly what stock worth right now, we know right now the stock is 411, but is it the value, or is it a trap, or is it value to buy the stock? So if you want to know exactly how you do is, so we know right now the NAV is 1485, and then the preferred share, the price is always it stays the same. So it's pretty much $10, right? So what we're going to do here, we're going to pull a calculator again, and then we're going to do 14.85. That's our NAV minus preferred share price, which is $10. Now we have 485. That's a price we have. That's our NAV price. That's our NAV for Class A share. So what we're going to do is we're going to start over again. 0. Now we take in our price of today, which price of the stock, which is 4.11, divide by 4.85, which is equal to 84 minus 1 equal to 15. So right now we know the stock right now is on discount about 15%. If you want to bring the to percentage, we do that 1 times 100, and then now we have 15. So that's how much, 15% right now. So it's a pretty valuation right now. The stock so if you buy the stock today, that means you're buying, your discount right now is about 15%. So the stock is really cheap right now. I mean, this fund, sorry, I keep saying stock, but it's usually actually fund. So now if you buy this fund right now, you're buying on discount about 15%. So that's a pretty good. So even though is 4.15, the 4.11, but remember the NAV right now is 485. So the actual price it's 485, but you're buying for 480, for 411 if you are to buy today, if it doesn't go up tomorrow. Even if you go up tomorrow, if it's not, anytime this fund is still at this moment less than 485, you're buying on discount. So that's it. So that's it for today. I want to make sure I give you run on the DFN. Why it's going down? The reason is because, of course, the underlying stocks are going down, and that's why this DFN fund is going down. And when it comes to valuation, right now is on discount about 15%. And of course, it does pay dividend right now about 29%. So that's all for today. If you're the first time, just make sure to subscribe. Bye bye.